The brain is efficient, nothing is random or wasted. The functions of the brain are regulated by its neural frequencies. From slowest to fastest they are delta, theta, alpha and finally beta, which is the frequency you are in at this moment. As adults, we spend most of our conscious day in beta. The time we spend in the slowest speeds of delta and theta herald phenomenal learning, and there is a fundamental reason. When the outer layer of the brain, or cortex, is slow, it communicates much easier with the limbic parts, inside. After maturity, the communication stays mostly in the outer part or cortex. Learning happens when information is communicated from the hippocampus to the prefrontal cortex. Learning is happening continuously through age 7 because of the brain's slow speed. What does this have to do with efficiency? As dependent creatures through age 7, we have a lot to absorb to ensure that we continue. Like mobility, communication, and the attraction avoidance system we use to navigate the world, called personality. The developing brain is also constrained to these basic tasks by the low frequency. We are born somewhat prematurely, compared to other animals because, past 9 months, we become too calorically expensive. In other words, the developing brain's low frequency allows only those functions that are essential to its stage of maturity, so no energy is wasted. As we mature, our cognitive abilities expand past the basics and the information usually travels much shorter distances because the synaptic wiring has filled in billions of new circuits. At birth, we had no need for critical thought. Slow frequencies allow the continuous transfer of sensory data to long-term storage. Sensory information does not need to be consciously perceived to be stored, and therefore, through age 7, we simply learn a great deal unconsciously. Therein lies the opportunity. What can you input into that continuously learning mind for automatic upload? Musical pitch.